Ending fitting for the start, twisting tore love apart. Your left fingers through the dark, shifted the lamp into darkness to cast us. No, you got it all wrong way round. You shut me up and blamed it on brown colored boy kicked out of the world kicked back, a lot fucking harder. If you wanna try, if you wanna try, there's no else you could do. I know you're lying, I know you're lying, I'm still in love with you. Can't take me anywhere, I can take you anywhere. You can't take me anywhere, I can take you anywhere. Oh, I'll take you anywhere you wanna go. You can't stand me now, 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 you can't stand me now. Alright, let's do this song, let's learn it, by the Libertines. It's in the key of E, and it's a good song to learn all the chords that go in that key. Starts out on E. Well, first, that little intro. I'm playing this stair step shape C minor, C sharp minor at the 16th fret. You can play it at the 4th fret, but they're playing it at the 16th fret. During the chorus, though, it's kind of important. They go, now you can't stand me, now you can't stand. This is just E on the 5th fret on the B string and an open E. I hear at least 3 guitars on the recording. But the chords of the song are E, A, C sharp minor, B, A, B. That's the verse. E to A. C sharp minor, B, A, B, and then they go to that little section where it's, I know you make me cry, there's no else you could do. So I'm just doing like a muted kind of strum, and then on the E, starts on E. And then we go to C sharp minor. So after you strum, you just like let your hand land on the string. That's the beginning of the chorus, I guess you call it. And then they do that little you can't take me anywhere, I'll take you anywhere, you can take me anywhere, I'll take you anywhere. So that's just starts on B, goes to A, back to B, back to A, and then on the final time it goes F sharp minor, F sharp minor. That's a replacement for A. And then to B. And then the final part is you can't stand me now, you can't stand me now, E to A. And then one of the guitars is playing that riff I showed you. Well, that's about it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.